channel and my video where I am going to turn this wild looking computer into a better looking computer. A lot of these components are hand-me-down gifts. I did get this Cooler Master V8 from my roommate, who also gifted me the R9 290X video card, as well as the power source and the motherboard in the back. I picked out the IFORGAME OMG mid-tower ATX case in pink, and it's absolutely adorable with a transparent side and top buttons. And this is what the other side looks like. It is very cute. I'm gonna start by taking off the transparent side panel just by unscrewing the big screws here, and you can do that with your hand. It's rather easy, and just be very careful whenever you're taking off the glass part. You're gonna want to put that glass piece somewhere safe so nothing bad happens. I should also mention that I am a complete novice. I don't know what I'm doing with this, and my roommate really just talked me through doing this. I didn't even know how to undo the side panel. He had to come over and slide it out for me. So yeah, here's where I am screwing in the power supply down at the bottom. I did forget what kind of power supply I have, so I'll make sure to let you know what it is in the description of this video. And my power supply is secure in the bottom of the case. I went ahead and took out the hard drive case and ended up screwing that in there and just securing that before I realized that I actually needed the state drive to go on first. So I will end up having to unscrew the hard drive, and then I'm gonna put on the state drive and then secure the hard drive again, so that way it's much easier for me, and it would literally have been impossible for me to do it any other way. Here's our little hard drive sandwich. I'll get to work on securing the bottom part of the hard drive into the case, and then we'll put that away so that way we can implement it into the actual computer case later. And next I'm gonna start on unboxing these cute pink fans by Asia Horse. They are absolutely adorable. I love this pink. It's so cute, and the ribbon is really magical. Cute little rainbow and has some glitter on it, and they are supposed to light up and be controlled with a remote. It's supposed to look really cute, and I'm excited. It all connects to this hub that has some sticky Velcro on the back, so I just stuck it there, and we're gonna get those fans installed at the top of the case and on the back panel as well. Fans are now screwed in at the top. We're gonna go ahead and put this last one in on the back part of the case. Once that is screwed in, I'll pass the cord through the top hole here and get ready to connect it into the hub where I connected the other two as well. And whoa, Noah is done painting the top part of my video card so that it matches everything else. I'm gonna put in the hard drive case off camera. I did put in some front fans that screwed in from the inside. They were really difficult to get in there, but now that that's done, I'll put in the hard drive case and really take a moment to appreciate the paint job on that video card case. Shout out to Noah, thanks a lot. So now I have passed through a lot of the cables and am just taking a moment to kind of gather myself and see what is next. I still have the Cooler Master V8 to put on top of the motherboard. Noah painted that as well. We moved inside. Hi, friend. And we have the video card to also attach to the motherboard and put that all together. And I put the CPU as well as some thermal gel and the cooler master on off camera, and we connected all of the cables on that side. It's now time to drill down the motherboard onto the actual case so that way it doesn't go anywhere. And then I went ahead and hooked up more of the cables. It was a process, and Noah definitely helped me a lot with hooking in some of those cables. It was a whole thing. And I did put in the video card off camera because it was a whole thing, as well as plugging in the rest of the cables. It was also a whole thing. And once the cables were all plugged in, I carried the case back to my room, added some finishing touches like my little toys, and then attached the glass siding to the computer case. This is the finished outcome. I'm really happy with it. Unfortunately, the RGB lighting on those fans did stop working just a few minutes into my computer being powered on, but the company is going to help me get those replaced, so no worries there. Thank you so much for watching my video and for tuning in to my first ever PC build as a complete amateur. Let me know if you have any suggestions down in the comments. Have a good one.